Hey there, welcome to another episode, and this is a continuation of a previous episode I posted a few weeks ago. And we are going to be refilling our pickles, and this is a couple of days later, and you can see my pickles are almost over. And if at all you want the exact recipe of how I made this liquid over here, please check out the other episode, and I'm going to link it in the pinned comment or down in the description box. Then, as I earlier mentioned, you do not have to discard this water. You can recycle it up to 6 weeks, and I think this is the second or third week if I'm not wrong. And I'm just going to drain it over there, add in my cucumbers, and if at all you haven't tried this recipe, you're really missing out. As simple as that. Then I'm going to sieve this just to catch the residue of my previous pickles. And it's that simple. So this goes back to the fridge for another 3 to 4 days, and then I can start enjoying them. In the meantime, let's have this, and you can see even the color has changed, and I can tell you that these are at the peak of their utamu. So good. Wow.